Yo, free all out money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Alright. Let me just grab this chair real quick. Just finish a quick little workout. Gotta bust some moves, do a couple things. Alright. People, my bad, I've been gone. I've been gone for a while, alright? Just grinding, people. Grinding every single day basis. Just grinding and getting right, alright, people? So every single day, just keep doing what you gotta do. Like I said, I just been working on my health. Just put this video up real quick just to show you guys what I've been up to. 1,000 reps a day. I'm trying to get up to 2,000 reps. Just trying to be healthier and just be more fit, all right? And just like to see what I look in the mirror, you know what I'm saying? So just stay confident, and it's not always about just money, all right? But, you know, we're about to dive into it. Right? So if you, like I said, free money, free online money maker. Site still working. People still cashing out every single day. 3 surveys right here. $65 in the tank. I'm gonna cash this out. So this is gonna be the full 100% breakdown of PaidView points. All right, I'm gonna give you guys everything you guys need to know. So first thing first, all right. First thing first. When you sign up, I had a link in the description. Use the link, you're gonna get a bonus. All right. Once you sign up, once you cash out, your cash out threshold is $15. Once you get the $15, you cash out. Anything over $15, it cashes out one time. So let me give you an example. I cash this out right now. It's gonna cash out the whole 65. All right, it's gonna cash out everything. All right, so once I cash out everything, it's gonna go to 0. It's gonna start over again. Any surveys I do, anytime I complete a survey, and money that I make is gonna go right to the account. So anytime you cash out, you're cashing out the whole thing at once. There is no option to cash out a certain amount, but it's a $15 threshold. Once you get to $15, you cash out. Never get disqualified surveys. You just go here. It tells you, you're gonna give you a notification. Like, yo, you survey, bang out the survey. All right, it's free income every single day. It's free income every single day. All right. So like I said, it's small drip. All these drips that I have on online money maker is 10, 15, 30 different sites, right? That you can just use for free. That you just use every day. Some sites you just use literally surfing the internet like you always do, right? So there's different ways that you could just use these sites without even actually having to go in there and use them. All right, just on your daily use. I got apps where you could get paid for driving. Get paid for driving to work. Just calculating your miles. Right? That's all it is. Calculating your miles, you get paid for driving to work. So back and forth. So it's like there's ways out here, people. So it's super easy. I can go back in here. Let me show you guys a dashboard real quick. All right, I got the earnings right here. Go to my full-time earnings, and like I said, people, it's just free money coming every single time. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Not $33. It's not, you know what I'm saying? It's not crazy money at all, but it's better than 0. $100 a year is better than 0. $65 round about the cash out is better than 0, and I don't even do anything on here. So imagine if I'm on here every single day, constantly putting in work every single day, we'll get way bigger results. All right, the more they're gonna see. All right, so every single day, just bang them out. None of these surveys take more than 5 minutes to do. Just bang it out in your spare time. All right, now you see my work here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I can do these 3 surveys and I'll add to this. But what I'm gonna do is, they actually added 3 more. 3 more rewards. You could do PayPal. Yeah, I always do PayPal. You can straight cash. Amazon gift card. You know you're gonna buy something on Amazon. Walmart. You know you're gonna go to Walmart. eBay is almost the same thing now, right? CB Target. So like I said, it's every single day. It's free income. Just use it to do whatever you need to do with it. You know what I'm saying? Gas, whatever things, whatever thing you need to pay for, just get it all paid for. Why not? It's free income every single day. You add this up with your other incomes that I got on my channel, everything 100% free. I'm getting now, so I'm gonna show you guys how to get referrals. So you're just earning on the side without having to do anything, like literally. Alright, you don't do really anything. You just gotta know how to push your link out, alright, and run ads. That's all you gotta do. Know how to push your link and run ads, and you just have money coming in while you sleep every single day. Alright, like all this right here came in just little by little. Just let it sit in there. Just let it bubble up. Alright, so we're gonna go to PayPal. So once I click this, it's gonna cash out one time 65 the whole thing. Now the reason I'm gonna do this is the reason why I won't do this is because I wanna let me go back to my and I got 2 servers. That's another thing I want to tell you too. When I first got on here, it was 4 servers available. The longer you take, the more members on PaidViewPoint is going to complete them. So they might send out like 15,000 of them, and the first 15,000 people to complete them. Now they might give it to you for like 4 or 5 hours. They might put 15,000 up there, right? Any member that log in, after the 15,000 surveys are done, that's it until they send out some more surveys. So that's why you see it going down like that. So while I was here talking, it was 3. I was here talking, I could have did it and got some more money. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I said, people, once you get it, just do it. That's why I'm kind of glad this happened, so you guys can see that money just disappearing right before your eyes. Every time you do a survey, you're gonna get something. They give you something. 5 cents, 10 cents, $1, $2, $4, whatever. They're gonna give you something. So right now it says 3 surveys. It says 2 surveys. So one just, you know what I'm saying? So just money just left at thin air. It just did it. You know, that had something in here. It's more than 6503. So I'm just showing you guys different ways that you can earn income online on the side, and you use that to use that to fund any other things you have to do. Don't be making excuses. I can't make excuses. I can't buy these books to learn this, to learn that. It's free money here every single day. It's the money that I use to invest. I just put it usually in stocks and usually in different things like that, investment accounts, and let it blow up. Back at it here. I have to go upstairs. Oh man, I woke up quick. Let me finish this video out real quick. My bad, hello man, how I walked in. Alright, so let's bang this video quick, alright? Very inaccurate, worry about things, very inaccurate, pay attention to details. Accurate, life of the party, accurate. Have excellent ideas, I think so. Alright. Relax most of the time, accurate. Sympathize with other people's feelings, accurate. Focus around people, accurate. Often feel uncomfortable around others. See, like if you use the name, if you use to put the same thing for this, they'll know that you're like clicking stuff. I feel comfortable around people, feel uncomfortable around others. So it's the same thing, right? So you want to click the opposite. Right? Interested in abstract ideas, accurate. Let's go quick one here. Alright, quick one. The lowest ones you get 10 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, and it takes so fast. How fast I would have done if I wasn't talking to you. Right? So you see my account right here. See the money went up right here, 10 cents up there, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cash this out real quick. Just show you guys how everything moving. Cash is 6513, and people, I got crazy videos up. Alright, let me give you a sneak peek. Alright, towards the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. On my other side, I got right here. when I show you the backstage of the accounts, to PayPal right here, cash out via PayPal, cash out now. Alright, so now when it cashes out, cash out the whole thing, like I told you, right? Cash out the whole thing, year-to-day earnings, lifetime earnings, right? So now, 72 hours, that should be my PayPal. Usually it takes less than 24 hours. Usually in about like 10 hours. Depending on what time is it, it'll be in a PayPal. So like tomorrow morning, it should be there. But so right here, another $30 right here. So another $30 cash out right here. About to bang this out. And then I got $12 right here on my rewarding ways. Like I said, all this is going to be in the description. Alright, people, like I said, it's free online money maker. I still have 2 more other sites on my other laptop. Alright, I'm going to show you guys. Like I said, I'm doing daily videos. My bad, I've been gone for a minute, but I'm sure these sites do still work. That's why I don't use 100, 200, 300 different sites like that, because the sites that I do use do work. So all you gotta do is just double down on it. Take one site, use it daily. Now, this right here, PaidViewPoint, you cannot, you don't need to look surveys. So all you just wait for notification, or you just log in and just check right here if you have a survey. If you don't have a notification, or you log in and you have a survey, no survey available. Alright, as soon as you get one, bang it out immediately. The more surveys you do, the better. Alright, you want to get your trade score to 10,000. It's the max right here. Alright, right now, go to trade here. Trade score is max. Alright, so you want to get all the way up here. Alright, once you get to I use all of this, but Skype, follow TV network to watch at least once a week. See, now this is the confusing part here. It's not a confusing part, but this is the opinion part. But you gotta understand, this survey could be about one of these TV networks. You see what I'm saying? So now that I didn't click some of them, it might be an HBO survey. You never know what type of survey. Have you ever been on vacation in any country? Yes. So all you're doing is answering these questions. All you just please indicate if any member of your household work for any of the following. None of the above. Put none of the above if they actually any family member work for the following. They don't want nobody working in market research. They don't want nobody working in personal care products. They don't want nobody working in produce, automobiles, and auto products. And they don't want nobody in the news outlet, such as radio, television, and newspaper. I don't want people that do these jobs. That's always put none of the above. Alright, now, a survey just opened up. Alright, now usually when it's another short survey, like I said, this adds up. I look, 39 cents added to the account. So like I said, I'm on here every time they say I'm doing. Alright, and it's kind of good that I'm not doing it, I'm leaving more for the members. Alright, so when the members complete, I already get a little referral anyway. So, see what I'm saying? So a lot of times I'm not doing it, let them out there for the members to complete, but I'm really getting up on you guys, the more money I can make. If you just stay on top of it, become 10 trade score, you get 39 cents survey. For the high survey every day on here was like an $8 survey. They had to watch like a 20-minute clip, 20-minute show. It's like a 3-minute show. So like I said, it's free online money. Get every single day, proof, facts, results. Continue running. Just did a $65 cash out. Show my tips right here. I'm doing a cash out video every single day. Y'all be safe out there. Keep grinding. Make sure you're healthy, stay fit. All right. Free online money maker signing out.